Zara Haul, let me know if I should keep or return. Where's the packaging? So trench coats are definitely in this winter. I've seen a few. I still want a short one, but this is the Zara one. I'll try it on and then you can see. Nou julle weet, hierdie wide leg jean. It's something new for me, want ek dra net heeltyd hierdie skinnies. En hierdie is the cross waist jean. Crossed waist wide leg. So, ek hoop hy pas. Let me try it on. Die zip is funky, want hy maak se. Dis iets om aan gewoon te raak. So I wasn't sure of the size because I haven't bought a jean from Zara. So ek het gegaan met UK 6 of 34 of a USA 2. So a UK 6, that's what it is. A UK size. Ek love hierdie. So it's like a high waist, but it's not. I just get this top on. Dit is oulik. Ek dink soms is dit tight. Ek dink soms is 'n tight wit bodysuit of ding, sal dit so cool like. En dis van agter like. And it's not too long. Maybe a bit. So weet jy, ek is maar kort. So let me know, should I keep this or should I return this? They also have another cross waist one, which was unfortunately out of stock, but I did get an email to say it's back in stock. So, ek weet nie, dis hoe I like. Let me know, should I get this one? Should I keep this one and also get this one? Should I return this one and get that one? Ek weet nie, ek is onseker. But this is comfy. And I like the cross waist. I just like funky stuff. Okay, nou vir die baadjie. So ek weet die trench coats is heavy fashion and I really want a cropped one. But the one I wanted wasn't in stock in my size. So Zara, please, can you bring back some of the cropped ones? This one I took in a size extra small. Want ek hou nie van 'n baggy baadjie nie. Die is snaakse kleur, is bietjie omerig. So ek weet nie of ek van dit hou nie. But I only took this because it has a belt. I like a belt to give you that little bit of a middeltjie, anders dan lyk jy soos 'n blokkie. En die moue is super lank. En soos ek sê, hier is 'n extra small. Daar's nie 'n extra small nie. So, hierdie gaan vir my irriteer. But this is the actual reason why I took it. I just think it's a nice look. I do think I'm too tiny for this trench coat. I do like the neck because ek raak mos claustrophobic as 'n ding by my nek is. Maar julle, hierdie moue is verskriklik lank. I think I'm going to return the trench coat and rather go for the cropped one when it's back in stock. I do however love this. I just think it's too big. Hierdie is nie vir my nie. So laat weet my wat dink julle. I think I should return it and rather go for the cropped trench coat. But the jean, I think, is a must. Ek love hierdie cross waist. I think this is my new favorite. Super comfy as well. Okay, that's my Zara haul. Let me know what you think.